tureba ari Nkore Media TV kanyo wende serebo wambara mbeyazini ZJ tukorera omurembo rwambara konkeri izoba eshaheja y'ingambera turi kabare abwente kateka za rukunde gumeho celebrating ningashi na no kutaho enkwatagane yadbire urwagati ya Rwanda na Uganda kuigura border but byone byo biryaho ne Thanksgiving erimu our next president of course nko kutabire officially talked about our social media na no kwespectinga munywani witu munywani wabinji General MK kandi twinaha omwe abantu abakusinga yo kutambuza njirejo na munongo muri Western Uganda ajyaha na timu yeye yija nayo ni wayija jebembire Innocent Kayino Innocent twakwatira ari Nkore
ninye nakira mwebare munonga kutwakira nishemererwa munonga abubahagize bwanyu kandi ni muri abantu bona bajyaho mu bwinji nabareta ngo barebe kirabe kabare berebere namani ga Yoweri ago mwana weye kandi nawe kutushikaho kandi akatusaba irungi abo mukoro gwa Nyencyakare gwe birebe tutebenkanisa namani mingi kandi birabe byafayo mu ihanga rya Uganda kandi kiri kabare
abantu abinkureba nani impereza percentage y'abantu abinareba heru erizoba necuro mukoro no gwa Nyencyakare percentage gyaninka 0.05 washanga niwe yebembera abantu aba omurebi utunaenda kumanya Innocent ni wo
Innocent ninye nibanyataka yuno nje munyarukungiri kandi ni good mobilizer kandi nkore mirimo mirungi nindiringa n'ibintu by'abantu bari gukora ibintu bikire kandi bibonire kandi murantu za gukora umukoro gwa fayaha iguza kuzumu byafayo byensi kandi mu byafayo bya Uganda ekine cyo kubanza kirabo mu Nyencyakare tuza kuba twi n'abantu bingi munonga kana hati y'abantu batandikire kwija nata abantu bari baruga Kampala baruga heru yihanga nibija namani mingi kandi tubategurire nata abantu banje badiya turonto tujya tunywa buri kimwe kirije kandi twenda kubushishesa mukashishe tukakera mu mikoro ibintu biza kuba bijya mani munonga
mukoro gwa Nyencyakare ni gumanyisa ci ahihanga rya turi ya Uganda
mukoro gwa Nyencyakare turiyo tushemererwa munonga abo umwana witu General Muhozi kandi munywani wabinji kwigura boda ya Katuna kandi Nyencyakare yanangwa cyerekeje kuno muntu kandi wo mwese kandi abantu bamwikirize ngo ajaha bamurebe bamusime abwo cye yabakorire ntasa zabo zikagarukaho je
ikintu cyakozere ne kintu cyamani konkantore abantu binji bare muni bimuka nibija omukoro go nyamwinji munonga bakorugeshonda nyinji za Uganda ikintu kimanyisa ngo abanya Uganda right now bakunzire MK okusingo okutwa kubeni tutekateka
MK abwe mico mirungi yayine kandi ashomire jamahe kandi ari kutwazaje kandi ajyo umuntu ari Innocent so ni bamukunda munonga kandi cyo kuri abantu bari binji kurarani bajaguza kandi bari kwenda abushishe sana Nyencyakare bari kuba bareho
iwe nkamobilizer ningashi omuntu atwiro hanu ya kwagera government yitu ya NRM narangu it is the right time now kutangu General MK aje ayibemberi hanga ryetu rya Uganda
ne General MK it's a full general 4-star kandi ariko orofaidi kandi n'umuntu ashomire jamahe nabasa kandi n'imikorere byari kora byafayo ebiri kurema abantu bingi nabibasabira mu mujye nicoreka ngo naba president witatu webembereje
Nyencyakare abantu expecting eki abatakijere na nabarije nibintu ki ebirabe emikorera akorwa ha iriza hariho mpira hariho nebindi emikorere iyo ya Nyencyakare arunakurwe nyine niyo nke hawanora birama bakutu
so mikoro ya Nyencyakare ni bamweta kumusima konkanka Nyencyakare naza kuzakatuna nanda kubahereza yakatare kandi akubatebenkanise ngukiguke kandi akabahereze mu izina rya Uganda no mu izina ryenko muntu ari kumanya ibintu biri kundwa abantu kandi byo nkorakurana kandi hagira nebye mpira nko kuwa kigamba nico yaberira mpira abana bikunda munonga nakunda abana bari kwezimba akunda talent za binyeto nabyona ebiri kwisa mukamekitinesa
Innocent bigambo byabo byamuheru na no kusibura abarebitu na obutumu bwo kongera kwereza abakuturi
yeso obutumu bundi kongera abahereza no kugira ngo ubujyo mwayikirizemo nabasagire cyayikaho kandi abo muntu wamani kandi abo mugasho nicyo kureba nkaye kunuka bare rizobe kiriyo nekindi kikabagaho kandi Nyencyakare cyo nikiza kurenga munonga abantu bariyo nibije mu bwinji behireyo nibavuga amajuta gabo batamamane gabo abo kundo mwana ogu mazimenjiri yo mwana ogu General Muhozi ninungi kandi umwana arije natwazaje
Yesu we bari munongo banature bari Nkore Media ugo ni Innocent Kayino kandi we yaba ayebembire mu team ya Rukunjiri timu ya Rugarukunjiri niwe aje mobilizinga abwa General MK nito twasimbura twa Rugambara twaja katuze kabare nito twatamamana gitu abwa Rukundo yitumwinire nkankore media kandi nito twaja tuza kubatura nebirabe nibiza kubaho nyenca kare byo nantuza kubibasyaho kandi ntugira ngo we stand with MK and NRM of course prosperity for all. Oba we are securing
so buri kimwe kirije ibyo kwerinda biri guruguru kabari yarareje buri kimwe kijyo mu buteka kandi General MK ntumukunda kandi simu mwame Toyota Mayiko ni wagira kaguta nka chairman witu mukamawati mu chairman abwo kore bintu biri kwisabante kitinisa kandi abantu bakamukunda munonga namani gakaba mingi ninshemererwa bwecho.
Yes, wanande ba Beazini ZJ Serebo wambara natambara na Off Savage promoter Nicholas Kurugarukunjiri nawe yabaruha Honorable Dio Musogo production mukama nakora.
We are very happy. We are enjoying. Everyone here is very happy because of you. So thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you so much for loving General Mosque Rugaba. A friend to General Polo Kagame. You know, General Polo Kagame is an uncle, to General Mosque. Those who have been in the stadium, I think you saw how General Mosque was extremely overwhelmed by joy to receive the visitors from Chicago. Our General was extremely happy to welcome you. Our visitors from Chicago, you are most welcome. Feel at home, feel free. Now, please stand. Without Uganda, Gabese blood, your brothers and sisters. Feel free. Then after that, I will take the honor to give the mic to the head of delegation from Rwanda, none other than His Lordship, the Mayor of Gicumbi, to give his remarks and introduce the visitors. Thank you so much. Immediately after his speech, we shall open the dance officially. Everyone here is going to enjoy and feel free. Security is to because of the time. Wema leo tunazungumza washimeli watu wa kufunga kama tulivyokuwa zamani. Tulivyokuwa zamani, tulivyokuwa kandi urukundo tukatwagishaga. So for those few remarks, let me take this particular time to invite my brother, His Worship the Mayor, to the congregation.
On behalf of the citizens of Rwanda and Uchumi, and on my behalf and the delegation I came here with, we sincerely take this opportunity to thank you for inviting us to the memorable occasion that bring us together in this meeting and the culture is still here. As you requested, I want to just show you the people who I came here with. Remind you that others are coming tomorrow to join us, still celebrating your birthday and what you prepared for us. I myself, my name is Emmanuel, I will come to the way of the True University. On my right side, I will address from Uganda, Rwanda University in Uganda, is called Emmanuel. I came here also with some district councillors. I think they can stand up. Because I think the district councillors, they are 5 and we are 17. I think that the delegation is somehow big and enough. We have a team management. I just want to say our togetherness is our strength. I mean, you mentioned Rwanda. Without Rwanda, there is no Uganda. Without Uganda, there is no Rwanda. Meaning that our togetherness is our strength. But being seeing him coming to Rwanda, he was pushing both sides. Our side Kigali and Kampala just to resolve those issues that are coming to water. That's how I was thinking. But for sure, I know himself, he liked Rwanda and we like him also. And I was proud to be in this occasion where I made him myself. I really appreciate. I want to say also, I want to say the effects of the opening of the border, our countries are now enjoying. Our citizens are enjoying now coming and going there. That's what I mentioned earlier. I also want to congratulate the winning team for us coming here, for us
Thank you.
Alright, nondeba ari Nkore Media TV kandi nyondi ZJ Beazini Serebo Wambara. Of course itwe tukakuja ngo turoko kuja ngo tukoreze kwa peningo munsi yona. So finally turya n'abanyarwanda bene wacu tubinaha ari Nkore Media TV kandi nimba nintamarana asuma ningas of Savage erizoba twantwigura boda hanu yo muri Kabare kandi tutebekanise mukoro gwa General MK gukuza kubanyencakare omuchaye cha Kabare Stadium haro mpira rwagati ya Uganda na Rwanda kandi ejini. How are you, sir?
I'm very fine, bro.
Twakwachira over we are welcoming you on Nkore Media TV.
I'm very happy to be in Uganda.
You can greet us in Kinyarwanda because we have viewers who watch us and they
are. Want me to greet you in Kinyarwanda? Muraho. Turishimye kugera muri Uganda. Mwatwakiriye neza. Muduha uburyamiro bwiza. Turishimye cyane.
What is your name?
I'm Alan. Alan, yes.
Alan, you're welcome to Uganda.
Thank you very much.
How did you find Uganda?
Uganda is a beautiful place. I wish to go to Kampala. That's my another dream.
You wish to be in Kampala one day?
Yeah. Very soon.
I've never had something like Mbarara.
Yeah, I heard about Mbarara because I was about to go to study in University of Mbarara. But due to economic issues, I didn't go. But all goes well.
This is the team captain.
This is my team captain.
Yeah. Team captain.
Oui.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you good in English?
No, small.
We try Runyankore.
Runyankore?
You can't try even.
No.
Izina ryawe, your name.
Iradukunda Axel. Axel.
Okay. They are like your name is hard.
Stuart.
So you're the team captain.
Yeah,
team yanyu ni wajete. What's the name of your team?
Jumba FC.
Jumba FC.
Yes.
So did you win?
No. You lose.
Why did you lose?
We drew 1-1, then we went to penalties. Then the Kabale team scored us on penalty.
So you as footballers, we see our president of Rwanda, the most beloved General Paul Kagame, supports football too much. Because we see sponsoring Arsenal, we see Visit Rwanda. What does it mean?
It's a beautiful thing. It's a honorable thing for us as Rwandans to be supported by big countries like Arsenal, PSG, and other things because it helps us beneficiary and in sports. Because when tourists come in Rwanda, they have to give something. The revenue become good, and then we continue to build Rwanda, because when you visit Rwanda, you see Rwanda is very beautiful, has good building, good roads, everything in Rwanda is good. That's what I can say.
Who is your favorite footballer?
My favorite footballer is Stegen.
Who?
Stegen.
Who's that?
Stegen is a goalkeeper of Barcelona.
You're a goalkeeper. Which number do you play?
I'm a goalkeeper too.
You're a goalkeeper?
Yeah.
What about this one?
Defender.
You're a defender?
Yeah.
Number 10.
Left back.
Right back.
Number 2.
Who is your favorite player?
Hakimi.
Just because he did what he did. Hakim is your favorite player?
Yes. Yeah.
Because yakwate ebyamaguzi nabi wa mama we.
No.
Thanks. Your last words. Tell us the last message in Kinyarwanda.
Ndabashimira cyane ukuntu mwatwakiriye, twishimye cyane kandi mu Uganda twakunze, tuzagaruka n'ubutaha. Murakoze cyane.
Yes, alright, we bari munonga na turi Nkore Media TV, we bari munonga nokore chairman ejini byumba FC kandi bija basamba na Uganda konka babasindiro mbwina as we are preparing for MK celebration Thanksgiving rukunde gumeo abwa Nkore Media na sigani Beazini ZJ Serebo Wambara of Savage Camera and Musagam Production. MK is our brand.
Selector, utaninga hali karibu. Nina mani noza kwichiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.